Well, I have a guest coming over, and I thought I would treat them to some chocolate chip cookies. Only my version of chocolate chip cookies are a little bit more involved. I start with the dough with the standard Toll House recipe, and then I add I add almonds instead of walnuts because I'm not a big fan of walnuts. And I also, so after I add the standard Toll House chocolate chips, which are milk chocolate, I also add a bag of dark chocolate, the 60% from those guys that start with a big G. And then in this batch, I've also added a package of toffee crumbles. So these are going to be chocolate chip, score toffee bits, and almonds all lumped into the same batch. And it's a double batch of dough, so a lot of this, more than half of this, will go in the freezer so that I can get cookies for the next few months. Well, here's a dozen ready to go in the oven, and as soon as it gets up to temperature, I'll get them cooking. All right, let's get them in the oven. Almost, not quite, another minute or less, and they'll be just about right. Really close though. Okay, let's check these guys out here. I think they're really close, and by the time they cool, they'll be just about right. And yes, as you can see, I don't do little cookies. These are a meal in and of themselves. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, almonds, toffee bits, and a little bit of cookie dough to hold it all together.